Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and most innovative products to help make your life easier. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Goodnature Digital Strike Counter, the best companion for your Goodnature 24 rat trap. If you're serious about pest control and want to ensure that your traps are working efficiently, this is the perfect tool for you. The Goodnature Digital Strike Counter is designed to help you monitor and manage your 24 rat and mouse traps with ease. Whether you're dealing with a rodent infestation or just need a reliable way to track the effectiveness of your traps, this device offers a simple solution. It's a compact digital counter that tracks each strike your trap makes, so you know exactly when it's time to replace the gas canister. Installation is a breeze. The counter easily slides onto the CO2 canister of your 24 trap, and it fits all models of the 24 traps. This means you don't have to worry about compatibility issues. It's ready to go as soon as you get it. With the digital strike counter, you can track strikes from the first kill up to 99, giving you total control over your trapping efforts. One of the standout features of this product is its portability. Whether you're trapping indoors or out, the Goodnature Digital Strike Counter is durable enough to handle all kinds of conditions. It's designed to last and withstand the rugged outdoor environment, but it's also perfect for use in indoor spaces. You'll never have to worry about it getting damaged or malfunctioning due to weather conditions. Plus, the design is lightweight and easy to carry, so you can move it around with no hassle. Now, what really makes this product special is its ability to notify you when the CO2 canister is running low. Once the counter hits 24, it's time to replace the canister, ensuring that you don't waste time or energy with a trap that's no longer functioning. This feature is especially useful for large outdoor trapping sites, where keeping track of multiple traps can be challenging. The Goodnature Digital Strike Counter is a game changer for anyone who wants to take their pest control to the next level. It gives you peace of mind knowing that you're using an efficient, non-toxic method to keep your home or garden pest-free. Whether you're a homeowner dealing with occasional rodents or managing multiple traps in an outdoor setting, this device will keep your traps working at their best. So, if you're looking for a way to ensure that your Goodnature 24 rat trap is always ready to catch pests, the Goodnature Digital Strike Counter is an investment you won't regret. It's easy to use, portable, and incredibly effective. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to precise, automated pest control. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and product critiques from Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.